Ever had a customer say their payment did not go through even though everything looked fine on your end? For supplement sellers, that usually happens when one merchant account fails and there's no backup ready to take over. Here is a simple way to visualize it. An order comes in, it tries merchant A first. If that account fails or gets flagged, the payment automatically reroutes to merchant B, keeping your checkout flow alive. This setup helps you understand the logic behind transaction routing, but doing it manually can get complicated, especially across multiple accounts. Payment interruptions can easily slow down a growing supplement business. If one merchant account fails, it can cause lost orders, frustrated customers, and cash flow gaps. That's why EasyPay Direct makes routing automatic. Their system distributes your transactions across multiple merchant accounts, so if one ever experiences an issue, your sales continue without downtime. It is a seamless way to protect your revenue and keep customers checking out smoothly. And here's a quick FAQ insight. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are designed for supplement and health product sellers, allowing them to process payments securely while maintaining account stability. That's exactly why features like transaction routing make such a difference for high-risk industries. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how their transaction routing works and keep your payments uninterrupted. Don't wait until a failed payment stops your sales. With EasyPay Direct's automatic routing, your transactions keep moving, no matter what happens with one account. Check the link in the description to get started today.